Raising chickens has become a popular practice among farmers and backyard enthusiasts alike. But how you choose to raise your chickens, whether in cages, no cages, or free range, greatly impacts their well-being, egg production, and meat quality. Traditionally, chickens were confined to cages in large-scale farms. However, as awareness about animal welfare increases, many countries have started to ban caged farming. As a result, free-range farming is gaining popularity, offering chickens a more natural and humane environment. One of the key advantages of free-range farming is the comfort it provides to chickens. Studies show that when chickens are raised in a spacious, natural setting, they lay more eggs and produce better quality meat. Free-range chickens also tend to be healthier due to their increased activity levels and access to sunlight. Unlike traditional farms that use artificial incubators, free-range farms often allow eggs to be incubated naturally. However, specialized machines help ensure that eggs are positioned correctly for optimal hatching. Some eggs are tracked closely to monitor their development, and within a few days they start to hatch. Soon, the barn is filled with newborn chicks, ready to be nurtured. Modern free-range farms emphasize organic practices, ensuring that chickens consume natural cereals without growth stimulants. Though this method results in slower growth, it is significantly healthier for both the chickens and consumers. After about a month, the chickens are released into a free-range environment, allowing them to move freely, exercise, and soak up the sun. This not only reduces fat accumulation, but also improves muscle tone. A protective net still surrounds the farm to keep predators at bay, ensuring the safety of the chickens. Free-range eggs are not only more nutritious, but also fetch higher prices in the market. Surveys indicate that free-range chickens lay 10% more eggs than caged ones. Once collected, eggs are carefully placed in trays and sent to the packaging plant for distribution. For chickens raised for meat, the process begins at the processing plant. Chickens are hung on the processing line, where they undergo several steps. Removal of internal fluids. Once the chickens are placed on the processing line, their internal fluids are drained to ensure proper handling and food safety. Hot water bath for feather removal. The birds are submerged in a hot water bath to loosen their feathers, making the plucking process more efficient. Cleaning, using specialized feather removal machines. After the hot water treatment, the chickens pass through machines equipped with rubber fingers or rotating drums that remove the feathers thoroughly. Legs removal. The legs are separated from the carcass, preparing the bird for further processing. Offal separation. Internal organs known as offal are removed. Some of these, such as the liver, gizzard, and heart, are considered delicacies in many Asian cuisines and may be processed separately. Final rinsing. Before the chicken is packaged or further processed into fillets, it undergoes a final rinse to ensure cleanliness and compliance with hygiene standards. Each step is carefully executed to maintain quality, hygiene, and efficiency in poultry processing. The transition to free-range farming marks a significant improvement in poultry welfare and food quality. Consumers are increasingly seeking organic, ethically sourced eggs and meat, making free-range farming a more sustainable and profitable choice for farmers. With improved living conditions, free-range chickens not only lead healthier lives, but also provide superior products for the market.